Imagine holding a camera that looks like a vintage Leica, fits in your jacket pocket, but packs the power of a professional studio setup. For years, the Fujifilm X100 series has been the undisputed king of cool cameras, but there is a new contender that might actually be better for your next trip. It is called the Fuji X-E5, and it is a tiny powerhouse that is causing a massive stir in the photography world. Most people call it an X106 with interchangeable lenses, but that description does not even scratch the surface of what this machine can do. If you are tired of carrying heavy gear, but refuse to sacrifice image quality, this might be the most important piece of tech you look at all year. The first thing you notice about the X-E5 is how it feels in your hand. In a world of plastic gadgets, this feels like a precision instrument. It has sharp, classy lines and a solid build that feels more premium than almost any other Fuji body on the market. The dials have a satisfying click, and the buttons feel intentional. It is small enough to hide in plain sight, making it perfect for street photography where you do not want to draw attention. However, when people do notice it, they usually mistake it for a high-end luxury camera. It is a crowd pleaser that balances aesthetics with raw performance. Under the hood, this camera uses the same 40-megapixel CMOS 5 sensor found in Fuji's top-tier professional cameras. This means the photos coming out of this tiny body are identical in quality to cameras twice its size. You get incredible detail, beautiful colors, and that famous Fujifilm look. One of the most exciting additions is the dedicated film simulation dial. Instead of digging through digital menus, you can just twist a physical dial to change the entire mood of your photo. It encourages you to experiment with different looks like Reala, Ace, or Classic Negative on the fly. It turns the process of taking a photo into a tactile, joyful experience rather than a technical chore. Of course, the biggest advantage over the famous X106 is the lens mount. With the X-E5, you aren't stuck with one focal length. You can pair it with a tiny 27mm pancake lens to keep it pocketable, or throw on a high-end zoom for a professional shoot. It gives you the freedom to grow as a photographer. However, there is a trade-off. Unlike the X100 series, this camera uses a focal plane shutter. While it sounds amazing, giving you that classic click that makes photography feel real, it does mean you lose the built-in ND filter. If you want to shoot wide, open, and bright sunlight, or do long exposures at a protest to hide faces, you will need to carry physical filters with you. When it comes to video, the X-E5 is surprisingly capable but has its limits. It can shoot 6.2K at 30 frames per second and offers professional color profiles like F-Log2. The footage is sharp and the colors are rich. But because the body is so small, heat can be an issue. If you're shooting high-resolution video for more than 15 minutes, the camera might get a bit toasty. The battery life is also a bit of a weak spot. If you're out for a full day of heavy shooting, you will definitely want to carry a spare battery in your pocket. It is a jack-of-all-trades camera. It can do everything well, but it is designed for the hybrid creator rather than a full-time filmmaker. The real elephant in the room is the price. At $1,700, the X-E5 has moved from being a budget gem to a serious investment. It now sits at the same price point as the X-T5, which offers more dials and better weather sealing. So why choose the X-E5? It comes down to soul and portability. This is the camera you actually take with you. It's the camera that fits in a small bag during a trip to Mexico or a walk through the city. It makes you want to take pictures because it is fun to use and beautiful to look at. It bridges the gap between a professional tool and a stylish accessory perfectly. In my opinion, the Fuji X-E5 is the ultimate travel companion for the modern creator. While the price hike is steep, the combination of that 40-megapixel sensor and the interchangeable lens system in such a small frame is unbeatable. It isn't just a tool. It's a camera that inspires you to go out and see the world differently. If you value size and style, but refuse to compromise on the pro look of your images, this is the best choice on the market right now. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update on the latest gear.